So here we'll try to evaluate the integral here. We have to evaluate the modulus of x square minus 3x plus 2 integrate from 0 to 3. So the interval where this is positive and negative will have to first find out. So I can write x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 times x minus 2, right? So if I make the number line, this is 1, this is 2. So in this region, positive, here also positive, and this region, it is going to be negative, right? And here we have 0, and here we have 3. So from 0 to 1, the value of this thing is positive, and from 2 to 3 also, the value of this particular thing is positive. So to remove the modulus sign, wherever it is positive, it will be as it is, and wherever the function value is negative, it will be opening with a negative sign. Okay. So this thing I can say here is 0 to 1 x square minus 3x plus 2 dx, plus then from 1 to 2 it will be opening with a negative sign, right? And the last part from 2 to 3 as it is again dx, right? So now if we integrate this function here, the integral of this function I can write here only x square minus 3x plus 2, the integral of this thing is x cube upon 3 minus 3x square upon 2 plus 2x, right? So for this one I have to put the limit from 0 to 1. For this one I have to integrate accordingly and then place the values here, right? So if this be the function, let's call this thing, let's give this one a name. This is let's say px, okay, px. So basically what do I have to evaluate? I have to evaluate p1 minus p0 minus p2 minus p1 plus here we have p3 minus p2 again. Okay. So if this thing I call as px, okay. So if you rearrange this is going to be like 2p1 minus 2p2 plus p3 minus p0, and obviously we can find out the values. Okay, in this one place put x is equal to 0, so p0 is 0, and when you place x is equal to 1 you get the value of p1. So likewise, just I have to evaluate this thing. p1 p0 is 0, p1 will come out to be 5 by 6. So the calculation part you can do. P2 will come out to be 2 by 3 and P3 will come out to be 3 by 2. Okay. So when you place the values here, P1, P2, P3, P4, put the values, you'll see that the final answer is going to be 11 upon 6. So basically, yes. So I, to make the step shorter and explain in a short way, I have taken this to be px. So this is the final answer. Thank you.